Yes, Shavar, are you me come bout this morning? Shavar, come here. Yes, see my brother, Shavar, yeah man, come here man. Why did you touch Gia yesterday? Why you put your hand on her shoulder? Why you a squeeze up her shoulder? Why? Why did you body shame her on your video yesterday? Why did you tell her she fat? Why did you tell her she must look like her other sister? Her other sister where I do the gym business, yeah? Well, very slim. Why did you tell her she must lose weight? Why did you body shame her, guy? Why? You tell me why did you body shame her yesterday? For what reason you body shame her? As a matter of fact, didn't Jay say she don't like to be on camera? Me know she said she don't like to be on camera. So why is it that every moment get the two of get I push her up on camera and I try talk to her? What do? What two of do? What the two of do? So him can't get him with you. So what you do? Why you put your hand on her? Why did you touch her? And that me want to know, that me come out this morning. Why did you? Me can't even wait to make a video. Me have to make a shots. Why did you touch her? Why did you squeeze up her shoulder? Why did you touch her? Me want you to answer the question. And the video, what you make? You post the video. Then guess what you do? Go back in the same video and cut out that part. When you go in the video and cut out that part, let me tell you something. Stop what you do, bro. Stop what you do. Stop it. Leave her alone. Me a want you know. Me a want you know. Remember, stop what you do. Stop it. Leave her alone. She don't like the pan camera. Take the camera off her and do not touch her again. Stop touch the little girl. Stop touch her. I'm out.